Hello students and welcome to Pankaj Sir's Echelon Tutorials. And today in this session, in continuation of the percentages topic that I have made videos on, today I'm going to deal with 3-4 questions which are related to something called increase and decrease in percentage, right? And these all questions that I am going to solve are making use of a technique called multiplication factor. So everywhere in all my solution, you will find that I'm using multiplication factor as a, uh, you know, multiplication factor is something I'm going to use in every question, right? And this is a very simple, unique way of solving this problems on percentages, provided you know how to, you know, how to come at the multiplication factor. Okay, so if the concept is clear, you can use this concept and problems really become very, very easy. In minimum steps, you can solve this problem. So let us start with the very first one. Now, the question number one, that is this one. It says that Luke's salary changes from 75,000 per annum euros to 1 lakh per annum euros. Okay, so 75,000 euros per annum to 1 lakh euros per annum. This is the change in the salary taking place. Find the percentage increase in the Luke's salary. Okay, so what is the percentage increase in the salary of this Mr. Luke? Okay, now the concept says that a simple formula you have percentage change is equal to change divided by original times 100. Okay, now change can be either increase or decrease. In this case it is increase, so let me write the formula as percentage increase equal to increase divided by original means from which point it has increased, multiplied by 100. Okay, now to use this formula, what I'll do is I will see that the increase percentage increase they've asked us to find out, right? This will be equal to increase will be, see, from 75,000 euros to 1 lakh euros. So the increase will be 1 lakh euros, take away 75,000 euros, and this has to be divided by the original. Now original means from which point the increase is taking place. Okay, so increase is happening from 75,000, so original will be 75,000 times 100, isn't it? Now this, if you work out, this will work out to 1 lakh minus 75,000 is 25,000 over 75,000 times 100. Now this three zeros will count, and 25.75 will be 1 by 3, and I get the answer as 1 by 3 times 100, which is equal to 33.3 percentage. It will be a recurring decimal, so you can write 33.3 percentage. Okay, so this is the answer for the first one, right? Now this was a very simple way of handling this question. Basically you should know what is the percentage change formula. So percentage change is equal to change upon original into 100. Here you have to take care whether it is increase or decrease, whether it is profit or loss. Okay, accordingly the original you have to take care of. Original should be from which point the change is happening. Okay, if there is a decrease in something, okay, decrease in the salary suppose, then in the original you will have to place the value from where the decrease is taking place. Okay, fine. Let us go to the next question. Now next question says that Mari's watch gains 3 minutes per hour, 3 minutes every hour. Find the percentage error in Mari's watch at the end of 1 hour. Now this is a straightforward question. Now it says that the gain in the watch is 3 minutes every hour. So let us write this 3 minutes every hour means 3 minutes. Now you know that 60 minutes makes 1 hour. Okay. So 3 minutes will be how many hours? Okay. So it will be simple. It will be 3 over 60, which is equal to 0.05. Okay. So 3 minutes in hours will be 0.05 hours, right? So this 3 minutes every hour can be written as 0.05 hours. Okay, so this is the gain. On gain means this is an error. Okay, so in the uh, watch of this person, Mary, okay, the error is taking place of 0.05 hours. Okay, find the percentage error. Now percentage error is nothing but error expressed in percentage. So error you got 0.05, that you express in percentage means multiply by 100. So 0.05 times 100 you will get 5 and percentage sign will come. So the answer for this particular question is 5%. See, there's not a big deal to break head with this type of questions. Okay, you have to just understand the logic and you have to just do the proper conversions and get the answer. So 3 minutes every hour means 0.05 hours is the error that is taking place in the watch. Okay, and this error of 0.05 hours, if I want to convert it into percentage error, okay, so percentage error is nothing but error multiplied by 100. Okay, so error is 0.05 hours. If I want to convert it into percentage, I will multiply by 100 and I will get 5% as the error. So the answer for this one is 5%. Okay, let us go for the next one. Increase $350 by 17.5%. Now here I am going to use the multiplication factor. So multiplication factor, since this is an increase, okay, so I'll write increase multiplication factor as 1 plus, at what rate it is increasing? 17.5. So I'll write 17.5 upon 100. This is my multiplication factor. Okay, and this should work out to 17.5 upon 100 will be 1 plus 0.175, and this works out to 1.175. So this is my multiplication factor. Now increase $350 by 17.5% means I have to multiply this 350 by this multiplication factor 1.175. And if I do this, the answer that I get is, let me check the answer, it's 350 times 1.175, and this works out to 411.25. 411.25, and of course this will be dollars. Okay, so if I want to increase $350 by 17.5%, the new value of the dollar that I will get is this one, $411.25. Now same way, let us deal with decrease of 17.5% in $350. Again, the multiplication factor now will be, since there is a decrease taking place, it will be 1 minus 17.5 upon 100. This works out to 1 minus 0.175, and this in turn works out to, let me check, this is 1 minus 0.175, right? And this works out to 0.825. So my multiplication factor is 0.825. Okay, fine. Now if I want the decreased value of $350 when 17.5% decrease takes place, so this will be 350 times this multiplication factor 0.825, and this if you do, you get the answer as 701.25. Okay, one second, let me check it. Okay, it's 350 times 0.825, right? 250 times 0.825, and this works out to 288. Yeah, I was wrong. Works out to 288.75. So this will be the reduced value of $350 when it is reduced by 17.5%. So this is the answer for the last part. Okay. So we have solved today some 4 questions, and these were all pertaining to the change taking place in the to the change taking place in a quantity. Okay, and you have to find out the now change is often referred to as increase, decrease, or even error. Okay, so these were all 4 questions which were dealing with, in short, the increase and decrease in percentage. Okay, so I hope you must have got this particular topic also. So thank you for being with me. Bye.